Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade pickled eggs, step by step. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. You'll want to hard-boil about 1 dozen large eggs for approximately 10 minutes. Once cooked, quickly transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking and make peeling easier. Then, gently peel all the eggs, making sure they are completely free of any shell pieces. This initial preparation is crucial for a perfect pickled egg. Next, we'll create the flavorful brine that gives pickled eggs their distinctive taste. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar until dissolved. Now, for the flavor, add your preferred spices. Common choices include 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few sprigs of fresh dill, or 2 cloves of sliced garlic. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully place your peeled hard-boiled eggs into a clean, sterilized 1-quart glass jar. Make sure the jar is large enough to hold all the eggs comfortably. Next, carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the eggs, ensuring they are completely submerged in the liquid. Once filled, securely seal the jar with its lid. Let the jar cool down to room temperature on your counter before moving on. The final step requires a little patience, but it's well worth it. Once your jar has cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator. Allow the eggs to pickle for at least 3 to 5 days before enjoying them. This crucial waiting period lets the eggs fully absorb all the wonderful flavors from the brine. Your homemade pickled eggs will be a delicious and tangy snack or a unique addition to any meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.